If you are looking for the best jumper cables, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Energizer jumper cables. These cables are famous for their safety and quality levels. These are easy to use and have an attractive design as compared to other jumper cables. Although many other cables of different brands are only useful for small vehicles like cars, small vans, etc. But these Energizer cables are marvelous to be used for all type of small container trucks, full-sized cars, medium-sized pickup trucks, vans, and freight lifting trucks. These amazing jumpers have handles that are covered with high-quality rubber coating for better gripping and safe use. Number 2. Cartman heavy-duty jump cable. The cable is perfect for large-size pickup trucks, large entertaining vehicles, and carriage-moving vehicles. The cable has 800 amp and over 50% greater conductor that is a 2-gauge cable. The cable is TPR substantial and short temperature resistant from 13F to 25C. Jumper cables fit top and side post batteries and carry a deluxe carry bag for free. This is copper-covered wire and just aluminum element coated with copper. 4-gauge aluminum cables are not as good since copper has 40% more conductivity than aluminum. Number 3. Forney 52878 jumper battery cables. These jumper cables are super strong and capable of passing a good amount of power at a fast rate between two batteries. These cables have an extraordinary long length of a maximum of 25 feet. The longer length of the cables is extremely useful and suitable if the distance between two vehicles is too long. And this cable is 25 feet long, which is enough and considered as a long length for a jumper cable. The clamps of these jumper cables are 500 amp heavy duty placed at the end of each cable. Number 4. EPAuto Booster Jumper Cable. EPAuto Booster Jumper Cable is high quality and heavy-duty jumper cable that can charge your weak battery in a very short period. Although this jumper cable is of 1 gauge, it is very fast in charging as well as durable and high quality as compared to the other jumper cables of the same quality. It has a length of 25 feet, which can be suitable if the length between the two vehicles is more than 10-15 feet. The clamps and cable quality is ultra premium and strong. No weather conditions can harm the cable or clamps, as well as this whole jumper cable, which has 800 amp capacity. Number 5. Road Power 86,600,104 Jumper Cable. The auto battery booster cables have polarization labels that blush in the dark. The cables have ergonomically designed handles that make it easier for everybody. In warm and cold climates, these are the preferred cables. The cables fit to top and side post batteries. It has prolonged jaw covers grooves that help lock it in place. Road Power has specially designed clamps that are easily gripped by all hand strengths and sizes. The unique style of clamps can fit both side post battery terminal and top post batteries.